An unfortunate incident had happened on 27th of December, wherein a 20-year-old boy belonging to Odisha was assaulted by four boys belonging to, two of them belonging to Tirthani and two of them belonging to Arakonam. They were around 17 years, basically all were minors. So this happened in a train which from Chennai to Tirthani. So there was first these four boys have assaulted this 20-year-old boy in the train. Then subsequently they forced him to get down from the train at Tirthani. And at Tirthani near some government quarters, they have taken this boy forcefully and then assaulted him using a sort of a weapon which is called as patta katti in Tamil. And then they have videographed this whole incident, and very unfortunately they have further put it on the social media as well. Immediately the victim was provided medical treatment in three different hospitals of government hospitals, including our headquarters hospital, the main Chennai's hospital at Rajiv Gandhi Hospital. As far as police action is concerned, immediately an FIR was registered. Since the person did not know the local language, that is Tamil, so an assistance was provided by one of our staff who was an ex-serviceman who knew his language and thereby converted or translated his language into ours. And an FIR was promptly registered in appropriate sections, including attempt to murder, which is the highest section for these type of offences, as you would all know. And teams were formed, prompt securing of these four people, four CICLs, children in conflict with law. All four were apprehended and duly produced before the Juvenile Justice Board, Tiruvallur. The Juvenile Justice Board, Tiruvallur, further directed the three to be placed in a place that is called as place of safety, which we normally call as juvenile home or something in local language. And one of them was released and handed over to the parents. So this is the action which has been taken. Yeah, we will definitely follow him during the course of investigation. Whenever his appearance is required, depending upon the requirement of his presence, we will definitely contact him or his family members as per. So what kind of as I told you, the railway officials are already seized of this issue. So for that, they will be the appropriate authority to comment about that, both the RPF and the other counterparts. As far as other parts are concerned, as I told you, these incidents are no doubt unfortunate, and we have been taking lot of efforts and patrolling, lot of pickets have been there, lot of awareness drives are going on, lot of CCTVs. If you see, in the last 1 year, we would have installed more than, in this whole area, not in this particular specific location, more than, 1,000 CCTVs would have been installed. It is purely because of our core initiative. Of course, the public has supported us. So a lot of efforts are being taken in terms of intensive patrolling, in terms of more of community-based partnership, more of information sharing with the public and with other stakeholders of society. And lot of attention is also being given specifically towards awareness in the schools and colleges. And that is, of course, really helping us, because there are many things which don't get reported but which we are able to prevent also. So definitely there are many things which cannot be immediately shared because they are numerous in number, which we have been able to prevent, as I was talking to them. Thank you.